digital copyright payments. Recently, Google has signed a deal with a group of French publishers to make the digital copyright payments for online news content. That is, digital copyright payment should be made for the online news content. What is this copyright payments and also the two digital? A similar tussle is ongoing between the Australian government and the global tech platforms Google and Facebook over sharing of royalties with news publishers. See, what does this Google French deal is all about? France became the first country to enshrine the European copyright rules into national law. This brought into effect neighboring rights laws. What is neighboring rights? According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, neighboring rights protect the legal interest of a certain persons and the legal entities that contribute to making works available to the public or that produce the subject matter. That is, some news content should be made available to the public. So those persons and the legal entities are making the works available to the public or that to produce subject matter which while not qualifying as works under the copyright systems. That is, these works are not qualified under the copyright systems. So there is no protection given under the copyright law of all countries, but contains sufficient creativity or technical and organizational skills to justify the recognition of a copyright-like property right. That is, it is actually not qualified under copyright systems, but the sufficient creativity and the technical and the organization skills to justify the recognition of copyright-like property right must be. That is, it is the worth to be given the copyright-like property. The newly adopted EU directive ensures that the media are paid for their original content, typically news offered online by tech giants such as Google and Facebook. Under the new law, Google was forced to negotiate to pay the publishers and the news agencies for reusing the material online, that is, by sharing the news content from the newspapers or news publishers. European Union copyright rules. What is this? It wants to create a comprehensive framework where copyrighted material, copyright holders, publishers, providers, and users can all benefit from clearer rules adapted to the digital era. The focus is on three main objectives: wider opportunities to use the copyrighted material for education, research, and preservation of cultural heritage, more cross-border and online access for citizens to copyrighted protected content, and fairer rules for a better functioning of copyright marketplace such which stimulate creation of high-quality content. What is the issues with Australia? Google has threatened to remove its search engine from the country. Facebook has also said it could be block the Australian users from posting or sharing news links if proposed non or royalty payments are rolled out. Royalty payment. A royalty is a legally binding payment made to an individual for ongoing use of his or her originally created assets, including the copyrighted works, franchises, and natural resources. The argument made by the global tech companies is that Australian media industry is already benefiting from traffic being routed to them by each of the digital platforms. That is, Australian media industry is already benefiting from the traffic being routed to them by each of the digital platforms. The new rules proposed by the Australian authorities would expose them to unmanageable levels of financial and operational risk. That is, this would expose the Australian authorities to unmanageable levels of financial and operational risk because uh, the traffic being routed to them by each of the digital platforms. Because uh, through these digital platforms, Australian media is benefiting because the traffic is routed to them. So that is benefiting the Australian media industry. Hefty fines proposed by the authorities are being seen as added disincentive. The fundamental difference is in the approach taken by the French and Australian authorities on the issue is that France specifically linked payments to corporate for copyright without putting a forcing device into agreements like in Australia. Significance of for India. Digital technologies have transformed the way creative content is produced, distributed, and accessed. The new EU directive and ongoing copyright royalty tussle in Australia brings to light the need for updating the copyright rules across the world, including India, to sync policies and laws to enable the digital copyright payment for its content creators too. According to the FICCI EY report in India's media and entertaining sector of 2020, that is, you have not understood, I think, so the new EU directive and the ongoing copyright trial tussle in Australia brings to the light the need for the updating the copyright rules across the world, including the India, to sync policies and laws to enable the digital copyright payments for its content creators too. According to the FICCI EY report, in India's media and entertainment sector For 2020, there are 300 million users of online news sites, portals, and aggregators in the country. With 282 million unique visitors, India is the world's second largest online news consuming nation after China. Draft Copyright Rules 2019 is a positive step in securing the interest of Indian content creators and users. Existing copyright laws in India. See, the copyright regime in India is governed by the Copyrights Act 1957 and the Copyright Rules 2013. The Copyright Rules 2013 were last amended in 2016 through Copyright Amendment Rules 2016. What is the draft Copyright Amendment Rules 2019 says? Agencies involved are Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade. Objective. The amendments are being brought in to bring the Copyright Act on par with the other relevant legislations and to ensure it is in sync with the technological advancement in the current digital era. So what are the proposals in the draft rules? Setting up an appellate body to replace the Copyright Board, and the chairman and other members of the board will be appointed as per the provisions of Trademarks Act 1999. Also fixation of the tariffs. It also proposed to amend the manner in which the corporate societies fix their tariff schemes, and also the corporate society. It is a legal body which protects or safeguards the interest of the owners of the work by giving assurance to the creative authors of the commercial management of their works. So this is all about the draft policy.